A warm welcome to the viewers of Chandana, Pudugai, Saptagiri and DD Malayalam channels, to the direct telecast of Saint Tyagaraja's Divine Melody of Five Gems being conducted at Chowdaya Memorial Hall, Bangalore by the Bharatiya Samagana Sabha. I also extend a very warm welcome to all the music lovers of Bangalore present here today. Every time the soul searches for a result or a direction or a simple reply, it always turns to music. Music is that magical expression that emotes the fine lines of yesterday, today, and tomorrow, joining the distance between what was and what is. Today's program, ladies and gentlemen, efforts at remembering the legends of yesterday, Santa Tyagaraja and Santa Purandaradasa, through the divine musical contributions, which will be rendered by the torchbearers of today. There cannot be any classical music without Manodharma. While there is a structure for every raga, the boundaries cannot be transcended. The ingenuity of the singer lies in bringing originality and improvisation without in the least compromising on the boundaries of the raga and the tradition. Ladies and gentlemen, once again I extend you all a very warm welcome. Over to Sri Shivaramaya, Member Advisory Committee, Bharatiya Samagana Sabha, who will explain in detail about the concept of Manodharma.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಾಮಗಾನ ಸಭಾ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಅಂದರೆ ತನ್ನ 5ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಸಂಗೀತ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವದ ಶೀರ್ಷಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮನೋಧರ್ಮ ಸಂಗೀತ ಎಂದು ಆರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಜ್ಞರ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಯಂತೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ is a matter of translating messages of passion, excitement and soul into our own musical language through structure, harmony, rhythm and style. We ourselves are made up of everything to which we have been exposed. Improvisation is not the expression of accident, but rather of the accumulated yearnings, dreams and wisdom of our very soul. ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾದ, ಸುನಾದ, ಸಂಗೀತ ಹಾಸುಹೊಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ. ಸಂಗೀತವಿಲ್ಲದ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಂಗೀತ ಆಸ್ವಾದಿಸದ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಗಾಧ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಬೀರುವ, ಮನಸ್ಸು ಹಿತವಾಗಿ, ಹಗುರವಾಗಿ, ಮುದವಾಗಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ವಿಕಾಸಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಡೆಮಾಡಿಕೊಡುವ ಸಂಗೀತವೇ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಮನೋವಿಕಾಸಕ್ಕೆ, ಮುದವಾದ ಗೌರವಯುತವಾದ ನಡವಳಿಕೆಗೆ ಕಾರಣ. ಇಂತಹ ಸಂಗೀತವೇ ಮನೋಧರ್ಮ ಸಂಗೀತ. ಇಂತಹ ಮನೋಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಸಾಧನೆಯಿಂದ ಅಭ್ಯಸಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು, ರೂಢಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು, ತಾನೂ ಸಂತಸಗೊಂಡು ತನ್ನ ಸುತ್ತವರನ್ನು ಆ ಸಂತೋಷದ ಅಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲಾಡಿಸುವುದೇ ಮನೋಧರ್ಮ ಸಂಗೀತಕಾರರ ಕಾಯಕ. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಿ ರೂಢಿಸಿಕೊಂಡ ಸಂಗೀತ ಸಾಧಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವರನ್ನು ಆಯ್ದು ಅವರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಈ ಸಂಗೀತೋತ್ಸವದ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸುವುದೇ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಾಮಗಾನ ಸಭೆಯ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಧ್ಯೇಯ. ಅಂತೆಯೇ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕಾಗಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕಾಗಿ, ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕಾಗಿ. ಸರ್ವೇ ಜನ ಸುಖಿನೋ ಭವಂತು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Bharatiya Samagana Sabha is one such organization which serves to achieve the desired purpose of spreading classical music. It works towards achieving a fixed path to tread on to reach a musical peak, the classical firmament for all the music enthusiasts. This Sabha is a result of many like-minded people coming together to propagate the idea of an extravagant musical journey and at the same time nurturing our homeborn talents, building a beautiful platform to develop our ancient classical form of music, taking it to the next level. Further, to celebrate and recognize the maestros and living legends who have helped in building the pillars of Indian classical music, ladies and gentlemen, the Sabha has constituted the Samagana Matanga National Award. May I now request Professor Vedavyasa MG, Trustee Bharatiya Samagana Sabha, to please present the Bharatiya Samagana Sabha report.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to you all. It is my pleasant duty to place before you a short report of the Bharatiya Samagana Sabha. 4 years is not a long time in the life of a music organization, but nevertheless a time for introspection and celebration. 4 years ago, a small group of music lovers who have attended many music programs in many cities over many years, but new musicians by themselves, felt the need to start this organization. The idea was to attempt new and appealing ways of taking classical Indian music to all music lovers, especially to the younger generations. The essence of growth is innovation. Experimentation within the framework given by our forefathers, starting from the Samagana. The Samagana Sabha has attempted experimentation in 3 ways through its annual music festivals. First, the music performances are based on a theme to bring the artist's focus to a particular aspect of music. Second, an innovative youth program and a music quiz to popularize classical music among the younger generations. And third, live telecast of Tyagaraja and Purandara Utsava on the last day of the music festival. In 2012, our theme was Raga Sambhrama, during which each of the 15 artists took up one raga and expounded on it. The audience experienced the depth of classical music in this theme. Last year, the theme was Guru Shishya Parampara, embodying the essence of process of knowledge transfer from generation to generation that has ensured continuation of style and skill over hundreds of years. This is our 5th music festival. As you are all aware, this year's theme is Manodharma. Manodharma is a combination of improvisation, innovation, and experimentation that gives expression to one's talent, skill, and knowledge in new ways. Being creative yet bounded, being innovative yet structured, being different yet aligned. The music it creates can be enjoyed only when the Manodharma of the singer and the listener synchronize. In that sense, it's the collective responsibility. We do hope that this theme has brought the artists and the audiences together like never before. Last year, we had a Veena ensemble of Vidwan D. Balakrishna and his disciples playing the Veena in harmony to commemorate Tyagaraja Utsava. This year, we have more than 25 youngsters here singing the Panchatantra Kritis in the form of an orchestra. We have the distinction of being the only Sabha in Bangalore whose Purandara Tyagaraja Aradhana music program has been telecast live for 4 successive years, and right now as I speak, we are beaming to all the 4 southern states. Thank you. A tradition the Sabha has started in 2011 is to felicitate one chosen musician every year who we consider a colossus of classical Indian music, with the Samagana Matanga Award, carrying a citation and a purse of ₹1 lakh. This is our way of showing respect, recognition, and appreciation for the contribution of the recipient to the cause of classical music. Over the last 3 years, the awardees have been Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna, Dr. R. K. Srikantan, and Pandit Jasraj. This year, the Sabha is pleased to award this honor to Sri Nedanuri Krishnamurthy for his contribution to the cause of preservation and popularization of Indian classical music. The award function is scheduled for this evening, and all of you are cordially invited. While the Sabha has a long way to go in achieving its goals, we remember with gratitude people and sponsors who have helped us take giant strides and supported us all the way. In this respect, we thank Sri Oscar Fernandez, Union Cabinet Minister for Transport, Road and Highways, and Labor and Employment, Sri Manish Tiwari, Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Sri Mahesh Joshi, Additional Director General Doordarshan, and Sri N. Chandrasekhar, Deputy Director General Doordarshan, Bangalore. Scores of artists have graced this stage, and we are very grateful to them, as well as to the stage itself, which has always been provided by the Chaudhaya Memorial Hall. All the Sabha's innovative ideas could not have been implemented without the generous financial support of many organizations and individuals, especially the Ministry of Culture, Department of Kannada and Culture, and the National Instructional Media Institute. Most importantly, however, it is the music-loving audience of Bangalore to whom our appreciation is due. You have been a huge source of strength for us and motivation, and I'm confident that you'll continue to be so by attending in even larger numbers in the years to come. Thank you and have a great day.
Santa Tyagaraja was one of the musical trinity who lived between 1767 and 1847 and is almost a contemporary of Shama Shastri and Muthuswami Dikshitar. A prolific composer and a great devotee of Lord Rama, he was among the greatest Vageyakaras of Carnatic music. Tyagaraja composed thousands of devotional compositions, most in praise of Lord Rama, many of which remain very popular even today. Of special mention are 5 of his compositions called the Pancharatna Kritis, 5 gems, which are often sung in his honor. He regarded music as a way to experience God's love. Ladies and gentlemen, Divine Melody of 5 gems will be the sonorous polarization of male and female voices and classical instruments of Indian music, including such instruments as violin, veena, flute, sitar, and keyboard. These ebullient artists will form an ensemble to portray and glorify the Pancharatna Kritis of Saint Tyagaraja. It is important and notable point that all the 28 artists selected to perform in this great musical treat belong to Karnataka itself, and they are the cream of sparkling and strong young potential ranging from 16 years of age to 30. The musical maestro Vidwan M.G. Venkataraghavan will direct this unique musical event. Ladies and gentlemen, here we present Saint Tyagaraja's Divine Melody of 5 Gems, a symphony by 26 youth stars of Karnataka, directed by renowned Karnataka vocalist Vidwan Shri M.G. Venkataraghavan.
First one, Raganata, Aditara.
Basa
second one in the rag Gaula.